Hi there, thanks for joining us. The last weekend before the Christmas holidays, so many people are going to be out getting last minute shopping done. They're going to be going to holiday parties. They've got friends and family flying in. Today is one of the busiest days for FedEx. It's also going to be one of the busiest days for Pearson. Traveling this weekend, Doug, is going to be a mess. By the way, joining me is meteorologist Doug Gillum, and we're going to break down this system for the weekend.
Well, today is the quiet before the storm. So if you can get out and do some shopping and those last minute things that you need that you're going to put off to the last minute for Christmas.
Because everybody does it.
Right. I sure do. Yeah. So get out this evening and take care of those things.
Oh, sorry. Did I say that out loud?
Okay, it's true.
It is totally true. Look at Tom, everybody. Okay, so tonight we are starting off with a shot of snow, transitioning to potential for freezing rain, and then temperatures warming up tomorrow.
That's right. As we look across the GTA, we're going to see considerable variation from south to north. As you go from Lake Ontario up towards Barrie, a big difference. And we're also going to see a lot of back and forth in the system. It's not a straightforward scenario where you can say we're going to start as snow, go to ice pellets, freezing rain, and over to rain. There's going to be a lot of back and forth, especially the 401 corridor south. The further north, Barrie to the north, we're looking at primarily snow, 5 to 10 centimeters. But here right in downtown Toronto, Oakville, up to the 401, we're going to start as snow, go to rain, probably go back to
ice pellet.
Right. It's everything. Tomorrow. So it's going to be a mess both for the morning and the evening commute.
Okay, so this is not going to be an all-day rain event because we were previously talking about how temperatures were warming up to 2, 3. At times, we were almost getting a forecast of about 8 degrees. So that's dramatically changed. And so now it is not looking like an all-rain event. It's going to be a messy mix pretty much Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday.
Right. Now, Saturday is our driest day. It's sort of the break between systems. One system goes by, a little bit drier on Saturday, but then late Saturday, Saturday night, look at the the mix right through the GTA.
It's not good.
Down towards Niagara, mostly rain. Barrie to the north, mostly snow. That puts us right in the middle with a big mess for Saturday night and Sunday.
Smack dab of uncertainty. We love it. Okay, so regardless, it is going to be a very messy weekend. Can you just tell us this one thing? The temperature gradient between rain and freezing rain, what does that have to be?
Well, it can be just 1/10 of a degree. Right. 0 versus plus 0.1. Now, there shouldn't be a major ice buildup on the roads right in the GTA, but you're not going to have to go far north, and freezing rain will likely be a problem late Saturday night, Sunday morning.
All right, speaking of slippery roads, we're going to join Tom Reynolds right now. He has an update on your commute. So as we get closer to the last weekend before the Christmas holidays, we have got a wicked weather environment really setting up. We've got systems coming in tonight. We've got a system coming in on Saturday. And joining me is the expert meteorologist, Doug Gillum. Now, Doug, a lot of people are going to be out traveling this weekend. They've got last minute gifts to get. They've got groceries to buy. It's not going to be a good weekend for travel, is it?
No, not at all. Now, Saturday certainly looks better than Friday or Sunday.
Okay, so that's good news.
Yes, some good news, though conditions could still be icy from what happens Friday night.
Okay, so we're going to start off tonight. Tonight, we are going to see the potential for snow, ice pellets, freezing rain, and rain. The temperature gradient is going to be just so close to 0 that we can see everything.
Right. Any point location could see a wide variety of things falling from the sky over the next couple of days. And as you travel around, you're going to encounter a wide range of conditions. A big difference as you go from Lake Ontario up to the northern part of the GTA, Barrie. The further you are from Lake Ontario, the more we're concerned about frozen precipitation, more freezing rain and snow. The closer to Lake Ontario you are, the more likely you'll see rain and freezing rain. But we're going to see probably snow here even into the city as well, mixed in at times.
Okay, so now as we go through Friday, morning commute is going to be a mess. Evening commute is going to be a mess. We get a little bit of a lull overnight into Saturday. So this is where you're saying that Saturday getting out to do stuff is probably going to be your best bet. But then the next low moves in. The warm front sitting quite close to the GTA, and that's going to cause a whole mess of problems on its own.
That's right. One of the keys on Saturday is while conditions will be dry, it'll be the coldest of the days, so anything that's been wet on Friday night will be frozen on Saturday. And then an incredible temperature gradient setting up for Saturday night into Sunday. We're going to be probably 15 degrees on the south shore of Lake Erie versus below 0 here on the north shore of Lake Ontario. And so quite a mess setting up across the area. Concerned about a stripe with a significant ice storm, most likely northern GTA or just outside of the GTA, where significant accumulations of ice are expected.
So the good news is that all of this really starts starts to clear out for Sunday and into Monday. So the Monday morning commute, even though it could be a little slippery, should be better.
Right, much colder temperatures, but we finally dry out for the few days going into Christmas.
All right, so there you have it. If you could get all of your shopping done today or early in the day on Saturday, that would probably be your best bet.